Welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how you can remap in After Effects. First, open your Adobe After Effects. Make sure that you have your video imported over here. Then, let's drag and drop our footage to our sequence. Right-click your video over here. Select Time. And on the option, select Freeze Frame. Next, let's go over here. On the Time Remap, right here. Let's set this to 20 to 30 frames. But here, the frames depend on you. Then select all the sequence over here, right click, and let's go to Keyframe Assistant. On the option, select Easy Ease, then move this one, depending on the time step you like. Lastly, let's enable frame blending over here, and you're done. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.